Hello everyone. My topic today is get your simulation right with material digital twin. I'm David Su from Model 3D. I'm now in charge of the material characterization and research center. Okay, so first I will give you a very brief introduction about how important is the material for the polymer processing. Yeah, as we know, there are many factors can influence the molding qualities for a typical injection molding process. For example, it is related to the injection molding machine, related to the, of course, related to the environment, uh, relative to the molding process itself, and the mold and the part design. And of course, the core is still the material because it is a plastic material. We want to make the injection and want to shape it to our final molded parts. So, how to handle the material, how to understand the physical properties as well as the processing behavior of the material is very crucial. It is one of the most important successful factors for the molding quality. And of course, when we selected material for the part design, basically we will first check its mechanical properties. For example, usually we will check its strength curve to know the loading behavior of the material, and using this data in combined with the density data something else to determine which material is most suitable for the molding. So again, the mechanical property can determine which plastic material will be used in your application. And besides the mechanical property, once we select a specific material, the next step is to determine how it can be molded by the specific process conditions. So in this phase, the processing properties is the key issues we need to know. For example, the viscosity data or the rheological data of the plastic material can determine the molding behavior